constant. Drop down and combine. Drop down and combine. Drop down and combine. Constant second difference. Quadratic is here. Quadratic is here. We never assume it. We prove what it is. Prove what it is. First difference changes. That's part of the quiz. Part of the next two terms, let me show you the way. Show us the way. Start at the bottom, hear what I say. Fancy. At the second difference, move up to the first. To the first. Then add to the top term, satisfy the thirst. isiZulu. Add to the top. Now we need the nth term. Let's build the machine. Build the machine. Three little equations. Keeping it clean. Keeping it clean. 2 equals second difference. Lock it down. 2 the bottom. 3 plus b is the first difference crown. B plus b. A plus b plus key equals term number 1. Term number 1. Solve for all 3 and the algebra is done. Algebra is done. Wait, read the question. What do they need? What do they need? Position is n. Let the variable lead. Position is. But if they give the position, calculate t. Calculate t. Don't mix up the two. Let's say it again. Don't mix up the two. What if they ask for a maximum height? Maximum height. Or a minimum dip shining in the light? Minimum dip. It's just a parabola. Use the classic tool. Negative b over 2. That's the golden rule. Negative b over 2. Check it. Second difference. Constant, constant. From the bottom to the top. Add it up. 2 or 3 or plus b or plus b plus key. Solve it. Know your n. Know your position. Know your tn. Know your term. Maximum or minimum. Negative b over 2. The second difference groove. Lock it in sharp.
We're live.
Yeah, really.
Okay. Welcome, grade 12s. Welcome to the daily dose of mathematics, sponsored by Fundaflow.
Sponsored by Fundaflow.
Okay, guys. Today we are going to be taking you through this app that we've been working on. We couldn't go live for the past week. No? Yeah, we're trying to finish.
Days.
Yeah, it's been days. We've been trying. We give you 5 free credits for just being here with us. We're going to be adding the credits live, and then you just tell us that I received the credits. No?
Mm-hmm.
Now, the first thing that we're going to be showing you guys before we go to what we're doing today, maybe just explain what is the questions that we're going to be going through today before we go to Fundaflow and show people how to use Fundaflow through these questions that we have.
Okay, so there's question 2, pattern, sequence, and series, which is 25 marks.
Okay, by the way, guys, how did this question come about? We asked our Fundaflow AI. The AI has been trained to be a senior educator from South Africa. So we asked it to look at the past trial examination papers and also the past NCS question papers that they wrote, the final. So we took from 2020 up until 2025. And then we gave it the mandate to say, give us 3 papers that we can use so that we can get a trial paper. So that's the paper that we're going to be doing starting from today.
Yep.
And then we have the paper, and then we're going to put it in a group that we have, a WhatsApp group. If you can check, it is going to put a link there. You can put the link.
Yeah.
So this is a WhatsApp group that is going to have the test that we're going to be using throughout. So we skipped question 1. Question 1, there was a lady, I think it's a lady, who asked us on YouTube to say, is it always 1.3? 1.3, is it always going to be discriminant? What's that one? Nature of roots.
Yes,
and then we said, no, it's not always going to be nature of the roots. It depends. But in grade 11, it's always going to be nature of the roots. But in grade 12, it's just going to give you something which is challenging. Like you remember, if when I was still teaching you, I would say 1.3. 1.3, you know, there's always that question that if you are not clear, it's going to give you some trouble there. Okay, what is it that we want to do? We want to introduce you to Fundaflow, guys. Fundaflow is just an app that is going to be assisting you when you're at home. Yeah? We are trying to show learners that you don't need basically a teacher to be able to pass, guys. You can have an AI use it in a responsible way. Why was it created? We created it because we saw that sometimes when we were using our AI, it was a little bit hallucinating. So we trained this one to give it more structure so that it doesn't hallucinate. Now, everything that we're going to be giving you as task is going to be given to the AI. Also, the memo, I would have checked it as a teacher to say that does it make sense. And then if it makes sense, then I can put it to the AI so that it's going to mark according to the memorandum so that it doesn't hallucinate.
Yep.
Now, it doesn't mean that I'm saying I'm going to be creating all those things. I still use the AI to create my lesson, but I just make sure that I go through everything to make sure that it doesn't hallucinate, because they can definitely do that. So, with that being said, it is going to take us through Funda Flow.
The Funda Flow, that's one that
The new teacher. This one should be your teacher, guys. It has every subject for now. Oh, it doesn't have every subject for now. Now it has, but it has most subjects because it also included maths lit.
Yeah, they can stay tuned for the upcoming thing because, like, I know the upcoming one is going to have all of the subjects.
Yeah. We're trying to add as many subjects as we can.
Okay, so then let's go through our Funda Flow.
So
this is a Funda Flow.
Itu is also going to put the link of Funda Flow. Remember, guys, if you sign up, you are going to get 5 credits. If you sign up as a learner, you don't need to be approved by anyone. As soon as you confirm your email, then you'll be able to get everything. And then for this month only, guys, if you hire me as your tutor, the Daily Dose of Mathematics, under tutors there, you see the Daily Dose of Mathematics. I will be publishing some tasks there. You can use me for this month. It's for free. I will be able to analyze, because what happens is that every time the AI marks you, I'm able to see where did you go wrong, and then I'll be able to assist you according to that. So there are 2 things on the link. There's the group that they can use.
Yeah.
There's the link of Funda Flow.
Yep.
Okay. Itu is taking you through the logging in of Funda Flow.
Okay, here's our Funda Flow. So then we're gonna go to don't have an account, and then we're gonna sign up here. Since I'm a learner, and then since this life is about grade 12, we're gonna sign in for grade 12. It means I'm a learner. Oh, let's just say I'm currently in school.
Yeah. Remember, guys, we also did it for learners who are rewriting because you don't have any school assigned to you. So you can also use the app, and then you can just request a tutor if you want a human.
And then grade 12 class. I love A. I was at A.
Yeah. So the class, guys, like this one is not specifically for you learners, but it's going to assist you teachers, because a teacher can teach grade 12A but not teach grade 12B.
Yeah.
For example, when I was still teaching, I was teaching grade 12A, not B.
Yeah.
So I should be able to only see my learners in 12A only. So if you chose 12A, it means that as a teacher, if I log in and say I'm teaching, you'll see it is going to choose a school there. And then I don't know which school it was in, but it's going to choose a school.
Okay, yeah. Okay, my home language is Setswana, but then I'm Tsonga.
Okay, guys, this one here, okay, to just remind us, we'll just have to add all the 11 official languages.
Yeah.
So that they can choose any one of them. Yeah, if you type your language there, it doesn't matter. It will give you your exact language. It doesn't choose.
Okay, so then I'm under a district which is in Kangala.
Kangala.
It's Libangeni.
Second is Libangeni.
Secondary school. And I'm going to school at Lalagash.
So it was going,
I was at Lalagash.
At Lalagash, yes. He was at Lalagash and then. Okay, guys, if you can't see your school there, there's a button that says you can add your school. You are allowed to add your schools. We try to put as many schools as we can, but if you don't find yours, simply add your school there, and then your teacher will be able to find you if they also sign up.
Okay, so now let's put my password. First one. Yebu is one. I'm gonna confirm it.
Okay, don't forget to sign up to tick our terms and conditions into.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we won't sign you in. You need to know what are we going to do with your data, guys. We're not going to do anything malicious with your data. We are just going to be assisting you in all the different subjects that we have here.
Okay, I agree to the terms and conditions.
But you can just go through the terms and conditions and just check what is it that we're doing with your data.
I've already signed up.
Oh yeah, I'm just telling them which they can check when they sign up here. What is it that we're doing with their data?
Then let's go back to login.
The Poppy Act says which we shouldn't do anything malicious with their data. As you can see, there's nothing extreme on the information that we are requesting here.
And then after I have to confirm my email.
So it's going to send the email into your link, onto your email. Do you need an email, guys? Currently, unfortunately, you still need an email. We're still trying to work on the WhatsApp so that you can log in via your WhatsApp. That one is still a work in progress, but for now, you need an email if you want to use the app. You can ask your parent to borrow you their emails and simply use that one.
Okay, so let's log in because we've confirmed our accounting.
Okay.
Yep. And voila, welcome back. Hey, it's welcoming me back.
Okay, so this is the dashboard that you are going to find if you log in as a learner. Now, once you are in as a learner, then you can go through these things that we have here. So we have
a learner portal.
This is the learner portal, no?
And then we have credits where we check even 5.
Yeah. When you start with us, you have 5, and then just check if there's anyone here. If you give us your name and then you have sign up, guys, we'll just add your 8 credits by 5 now for today.
Yep.
If you're with us here, we're going to add your credits by 5. Yeah.
And then there's a request tutor button.
You can request a tutor, but first you need to choose a subject. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can't choose a tutor unless you request the subject. How is it going to work? Basically, we are going to allow tutors to register with us and then the subject that they're teaching so that they can assist you if you want a human touch, guys. You always need that human touch. You want to communicate with a human.
So since this one is our daily dose of mathematics, we're going to say mathematics. And then let's request a tutor. We have our tutor, you can click there, and then now I'm going to go with the daily dose of mathematics today. And then our tutor is hired.
Yeah, so they've hired me now as the daily dose of mathematics. I'm a tutor of this company from the flow. So I will be able to see anything that Itu is doing, guys. Anything that Itu is practicing, quizzes. So I'll be able to say, okay, man, Itu is struggling here. Where can I assist Itu? So that's how it works, basically. So what else do you have in the app?
Okay, so then since we did the math thing, you're going to have a submit work, quiz work, and my progress.
So you can submit work, no? You can get what?
You can do a quiz me.
Quiz me, what else do you have?
And then it's my progress.
So on the progress here, just check if there's anything there. Do you have anything that you have done?
I just created an account.
You just created an account. So you have nothing.
Yeah,
so guys, when you go in there, don't be shocked on that one. Your progress is going to anything that you do in the app. No? Okay, let's go to quiz me. We're doing sequence and series, actually.
Yeah,
let's start with quiz me. So if you go to quiz me, guys, you will see what's going to happen here.
You have topics. Grade 12 topics.
Yeah.
Yep. So then it's finance. It starts with sequence and series.
Yeah.
Functions, finance and growth, K, algebra, equation and inequalities, differential calculus, probability, Euclidean geometry, analytical geometry.
Okay, these are the topics, guys. You'll just choose one. Let's do sequence and series. Today we started with sequence and series. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's just do a quiz. This thing is going to give us 5 questions. We're going to try to go through them.
The multiple choice.
Yeah, let's do the multiple choice. So you can create your own test. You can do that, guys. And then after you create your test, the test is going to be created. You can download the test, do it, then upload it. After uploading it, it's going to give you the memorandum, and it's also going to grade you. It's going to assist you this thing here. So let's start with this one here, Itu.
Let's generate a practice test.
Practice test, yeah.
Still quiz. Consulting.
So yeah, we're going to be doing our quiz. Let's dance a little bit while we are waiting, and then check if there's anyone on the quiz so that we can give them free 5 credits.
Just let the person know.
La la la, we looking at the numbers today. Looking at the numbers. Don't just guess the pattern, let the differences play. Let the difference.
Okay, so then we have the first question, which is question 1.
So we're given our quiz, no?
Yep.
Now we're going to go through our quiz.
So then the quiz says, the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 11.
Okay, they say the third term number 3.
Yeah,
okay, we're going to write it down, guys. Remember, even if it's a quiz, guys, you still have to do it. Otherwise, you want to use your grandmother in case you can do that. I know there are people who can get 100% by just guessing.
Yeah.
I'm not one of those people, unfortunately. So we have term number 3.
Yeah, term number 3, which is 11.
It's 11. Okay, yeah.
And then we have the 8th term, which is 31.
The 8th term, T number 8, is equal to 31.
Yep.
Okay, so this is a decreasing pattern. Term number 11 is smaller than the term 8.
Yeah.
Okay. This one they said that's what kind of pattern is this one? What does the question say?
It's an increasing pattern.
Okay. Read the statement. What does the statement?
It says the third term of the arithmetic sequence.
Highlight that word. You can highlight
I can't
it.
highlight this on this one.
Okay. Keyword, guys, is arithmetic. So we need that one. So they are giving us the arithmetic pattern. So it means that we are going to use everything arithmetic needs.
Yeah.
So let's just, if you are able to do it, get every information that we need here, you can copy that part, that quiz name that you are going to do it that side. Then we'll come back and choose the correct answer. I don't know if it makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay. So we will try to do it that side and then come back. What is it that they want here? They want D, they want what? A?
They want the...
Guys, use this grade 12s. Grade 12s, as you move to your final examinations, make sure that you utilize this thing. It's going to test you, because the tendency that we always see with learners, they tend to use previous question papers like vigorously, and then they don't understand. They just use the previous question paper, check the answer, so it doesn't assist you in anything like that. So you need to make sure that you get new questions, you expose yourself to new questions. Remember, one thing that I've seen with the examiner, the examiner is always consistent. They never like repeat a question. Like it's rare. Like you find which they are repeating a question. And I know there are learners who usually assume, hey, these people, they repeat a question in 2024. What? There's nothing like that. Those people, they are always coming up with new ways to assist you. So you need to be sharp. Are you done with that?
Yeah, I'm done with that part 2.
Part 2.
I mean, like,
the question. We can go through the question.
We can go through the question.
Okay. So term number 3 is equal to 11. So we're going to use the formula in arithmetic. And what does the arithmetic formula say? It says Tn again.
Tn
is equal to A.
Tn is equal to
A plus
yeah, open bracket n
minus
1 close bracket
d. Yeah. So we're going to get this formula in the information sheet. Now, using this formula, we're given terms. So if we're given sum, we're also going to use the sum formula. But in this case, we're just given terms. According to the arithmetic pattern, we're going to tell them with T11, where we see n now, you can highlight which you see this n again.
Yeah.
We're going to put 11 in it. And then it says 11 minus 1. What is going to be 11 minus
1? 11 minus 1 is 10.
So it means with our T11 is going to be given by A plus 10D.
A plus 10D.
Yeah. Where does the 10D come from? Remember, guys, we already showed you which we highlighted. We substituted 11 and then it said 11 minus 1, we got 10.
Yeah.
That is for term number 11. Term number 8, again.
T8
is going to be equal to A plus, highlight there. On the end, we're going to put, I could just show them on the formula that we just came up with, which is we get it from the information sheet. We highlight that, we're going to put 8.
Yeah.
It says 8 minus 1. What is going to be 8 minus 1?
7D.
7D. But remember, we know what is term number 11. Trying to speak English. What is term number 11?
Term number 11, according to the data thing that we were given, it's no, we're not given term number 11. We're given the third term.
Oh, we're given third term?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's the third term. The third term of an arithmetic sequence is 11.
Oh, sorry guys, it's me. So with this formula, we made a mistake. It's supposed to say T3.
Yeah.
Where we see n, we're going to substitute 3. So it says which is going to be A plus 2D. So 11 is going to be equal to A plus 2D.
Okay.
11 who didn't advise me which how should I do this thing, guys?
Okay, yeah, it's not fine. Okay, so then after the second
T8 I'm fine. T8 is fine.
Yeah, the T8 you are fine. The 8th term.
The 8th term is what?
The 8th term is 31.
So this is an increasing term. It's an increasing pattern. When I told you
I told you it's an increasing pattern. You said it's a decreasing, and then I said no, it's a decreasing.
Okay, so 31 is equal to A plus
70.
70. Okay, we have two equations here.
Yeah.
Yeah, with this one, there are so many ways in which you can do it. There's this one that we call elimination. We do it in grade 10. So we can put the bigger term on top and put the smaller term at the bottom. So in other words, I'm saying you can have 31.
31.
Which is going to be equal to?
Is equal to? A
plus 70.
70.
Yeah, and then the other one we have 11, which is going to be equal to A
plus 2D.
And what we then do is to say term number 2 Yeah, we're going to say T2 minus term number 1.
Minus term number 1.
Yeah, and then if you say T2 minus term number 1, we're going to start by saying 31 minus the 11. What is 31 minus 11?
31 minus 11 is
20. Okay, so we say 20 is going to be equal to
20 is equal to?
Yeah, equal to, we just take 1. Equal to minus equal to is equal to. And then we have A minus A.
A minus A. A minus A is 0.
Yeah,
0.
we get nada. Zilch. Nothing. After that, we have 17.
Minus 2D.
Minus 2D gives us 5D. Okay? We can get D. Yeah? How do we get D?
Divide by 5.
Divide by 5. Divide by 5.
Divide by 5.
So, yay! Let's celebrate it, you guys.
The calculator's back.
Okay. So after that, once we get the 4, we can use any of the 2 equations that we have. We have the simplest one. Actually, they said they want us to get term number 3.
Yep.
We can try to get A now. What is going to be the first term? We're using any one of them. So I'm going to tell them, according to the first one, I think we have 11. It's going to be equal to A.
11 is equal to A.
Plus 2 multiplied by 4.
2 multiplied by 4.
Okay, what is 2 multiplied by 4?
2 multiplied by 4 is 8.
It's 8. The 8, we take it to the other side, is going to become negative.
Negative.
So we have 11 minus 8, which is going to be A.
Yeah. 11 minus 8, by which the answer is going to be 11 minus 8.
It's 3. So our A is 3. Okay. We're getting messages. What is the message?
Man City.
Oh. Okay. So we have A is equal to 3. Now remember, what are we looking for? We're looking for term number 3.
Yeah.
So we're going to say T3 is going to be equal to A is 3.
T3 is equal to 3.
Plus 2.
Is it 2?
Yeah, I'm sure it's like T3, it was 2A plus 2D. You remember that? So now we're going to say T3 is equal to 3 for A. Instead of where we see A, we're going to put 3 in. And then plus 2 multiplied by our D, which is 4.
Which is 4.
So you have 2 multiplied by D. It's 4, okay? 2 multiplied by D, which is 4, it's 8. And plus 3, it says which T3 is going to be equal to 11. That's what we're looking for.
No, like it's.
What was the question?
We are not supposed to calculate T3. We are calculating the fifth. What is the fifth term? We are calculating the fifth term.
Term number 5.
Yeah, not 15.
Or the 15 term.
Calculating the 15.
My calculator is not working, guys. Okay, now that we're here, it's simple. Now we know A, we know what is D. Based on, because this thing here is an arithmetic pattern, based on what we just did, I'm sure we said term number 15.
T15
is going to be given by A. Plus 14D. How did you get 14D? Again, we said 15 minus, we said on the n minus 1 there. We said 15 minus 1, it gave us 14 multiplied by D.
Yep.
So we have T15, which is A,
is equal to A
plus
we're gonna have 14 multiplied by 4.
14 multiplied by 4, we have, let me do it on the calculator.
10 plus 10 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 10, 10 plus 10.
Why are you doing that?
We have 40.
So we have 40 is 14.
4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus
56,
40
and
is
that's 56.
56. Yeah.
56 plus 3 is 59.
Yeah. T15.
T15 is 59.
Yeah.
Okay.
Calculate this back. T15 is equal to 59. So then we're going to go back to our funda flow and then check if 59 is there.
Okay.
Fortunately, it must be there. What are the odds?
Yeah.
This is a funda flow. Yeah, we have 59.
We have 59.
Yeah.
Okay, we chose 59. This thing is tiring. Yo, these questions are hard. This guy, yo.
I think now I'm going to go with my grandma now.
Yeah, because remember, guys, we're just trying to show you how do you use this thing here. So if you want a quiz, you can get the quiz, but you still have to have your maths paper so that you can check if you did the right thing. Right?
Okay. So
and then the other thing that I also wanted to show them is that let's say you are working on this multiple choice question. You work on the multiple choice question and then you want to make sure which your steps are correct. Right? Because it's one thing for you to be able to choose this is A, this is B, this is C. You don't know where they met.
Yeah.
So let's I'm sure we already have that one that we did.
Yeah.
We're going to do it in our practice. We're going to upload it in the practice work. I'm not sure if it's clear, like what you the practice will be able to see it.
It's long.
It's long. Okay,
So let's do the quiz first.
Okay, let's do the quiz, yeah.
Let me go with my grandma. On B, on question 2, my
What
grandma
was
says
B?
it's C.
What was B?
B says, what is the sum of the 8 terms of the geometric sequence?
Okay.
3, 6 minus
So
16.
it is using grandma here, no?
Yeah, I'm using grandma's power here. Grandma says it's C.
Okay.
And then, no, it can't be C, it has to be P.
Okay.
And I'm debating with grandma on this one.
Okay.
It says an infinite, I'm not reading. Grandma says it's B.
Okay.
And then question 4, on this one, grandma says it's A.
Okay.
And then on question 5, grandma says it's D. I didn't pick D. So the grandma says it's D.
Okay.
Let's check the answer. Yeah, grandma would be wrong.
You got how much?
I got 2 out of 5.
2 out of 5. And then the first one is the one that we did today.
The first one is the one that we did.
Okay. So you can go and check on your progress. This thing is going to be available there. Okay, what does it say to progress?
On your progress says
scored 40% on an auto-graded multiple choice practice quiz.
Hey, my grandma's not with me there.
Okay, but there, guys, while you're still on the quiz, it gives you the memo after that. It tells you where did you go and what is it that you're supposed to choose. So you can show them that one if it's still there.
Okay, it corrects them on there. Okay, it says just because on this one we chose or it's B, it cancelled B or B, it's incorrect. The correct one is A.
Okay, but does it explain why?
Yeah, it explains.
Okay.
For geometric series, the sum of the first n terms in the given by Sn is equivalent to A open bracket 1 minus R to the power n close bracket all over 1 minus R.
So yeah, okay. So you should remember, guys, which if you are just quizzing yourself, this is how you can.
Yeah.
That's the quiz. You can also do it after that you upload to check if you did the right thing. This is for people who want to pass, guys. Remember, not for people who need answers. Yes.
The link is in the comment, and then we're gonna show you other things that are interesting with this end.
Okay.
We only showed them the quiz me. There's the submit work.
Okay, yeah, that's the quiz me. That was the first part.
Yeah, that was the first part. So then we have stuck on a problem right now. Here are the 3 of them. We have the scaffolding, we have the hint giver, we have the mini lesson. To those who don't know what scaffolding is something that you can use when you're stuck on something. Maybe let's not say you're stuck. Maybe you lost control of what can I do on this one. Let's say can I say so for X Euclidean?
Let's do it. We have a question there that we have. It's a quadratic pattern, the one of determining the next 2 terms. So we're going to show you this one, guys. We're going to basically today it's onboarding. We're showing you how to use the app. We can try to get to a lesson, but the main thing here, we're also going to try to remember, guys, if you sign up today and then you choose me as your tutor, you say daily dose of mathematics, there's a task that I've already published there. You should see it. We're going to publish it now. It's the one of question 2, which is from the senior examiner. We created a senior examiner who created this following test for us. We have 3 tests that we're going to be doing throughout now for grade 12s.
Yeah. Let's say you lost control. You don't know what to do on this.
You can take the one of question 2.1, and then you do the one of determine the next 2 terms.
I've already took the last question. Now I've uploaded our senior maths. Our scaffolding is done.
You took which one? The one of sigma.
Yeah, explain why the geometric Balkan series 7 plus 21 plus 62 does not converge.
Okay.
Hello friend. I'm your mathematical tutor. Please provide your work and I'm here to assist. To help you master this concept, let's work through a very similar parallel example together. Parallel example. Explain why the geometric series 7 plus 21 plus 63 plus does not converge. Step-by-step solution. Step 1. Calculate the common ratio, R. In any geometric series, the common ratio R is calculated by dividing any term by its previous term. R equals T2/T1. R equals 21/7. R equals 3. Step 2. Recall the formal caps condition for convergence. An infinite geometric series converges if and only if the common ratio satisfies -1 R1, or R1. Step 3. Compare the calculated ratio to the condition and conclude. Since R equals 3, the ratio is greater than 1, R1, and does not fall within the range -1 R1. Therefore, the geometric series does not converge, it diverges. Coach's summary. Whenever a question asks you to explain or prove why a geometric series converges or does not converge, The key is always the common ratio. Calculate R equals T2/T1, write down the condition -1 R1, and show whether R satisfies it or not. Actionable handoff. Now, apply these exact steps to your problem, 12 plus 24 plus 48 plus 1. Find R. 2. State the condition for convergence. 3. Give your conclusion. What value do you get for R in your problem?
So then remember, you guys, this question was a parallel example of this one here, which is our 2.3.3. We are gonna do it.
Yeah, if we get it to it, like we'll see how time allows us.
Yeah.
Guys, remember, if you are on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube.
Yeah,
if you're on YouTube, guys, if you just say hi now and then you sign up and then we see what you have already signed up on Fundaflow, the link is there. We're going to increase your credits.
Yeah.
We're going to increase them by 5, and then you can just comment what you've received, your credits, if you already received them.
Yeah. Comment. You can also comment on TikTok. Comment wherever you are.
Yeah. Comment in wherever you are. We're going to remember. Did you put the link on TikTok?
Yeah, I placed the link on TikTok.
So there's Fundaflow, guys. You sign up for Fundaflow, you confirm your email. As soon as you are done with that, you can get your free credits, guys. As you saw there, guys, this thing here is very helpful because it just has. We've done it in such a way that it's only going to be there to assist learners. And then it's not only for mathematics, remember. Now it's just only that it has chosen mathematics because daily dose of mathematics wanted to be hired. I needed someone that I can teach. So that is why E2 chose me as the daily dose of mathematics. But we have many tutors there. Oh, currently we have 3 tutors.
Yeah.
People who can teach physics, people who can teach maths and physics, and people who can also teach lower grades. We should be getting them very soon.
And then you can also hire us, the daily dose of mathematics, if you want to. Like, you can also join us on live and then check our tasks that we're creating, hire us, and then so that you can find those tasks.
Yeah, especially for this month, we're not going to be charging anyone for tutoring.
Yeah.
So if you just hire us, you'll be able to see our tasks. There's a group that we have on WhatsApp where you can ask any question there, and then we'll be able to send you the relevant materials that we have.
Yeah, the link is in the comments.
Yeah, the link is in the comments. So there's Fundaflow and then there's also WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Like, let's say we are busy working here and then there's a question that you want to ask. It is going to be checking the WhatsApp there on the group WhatsApp.
Okay, so then after we have the hint give. The hint give, now we are going to use it when we are busy with those questions there. When we are busy solving the question. And then there's this one, the health safe mini lesson.
Yeah, this one here is, let's say you know about Mr. Shong. Mr. Shong can speak very fast or learners can listen slow. It's up to you how to interpret it. If Mr. Shong was teaching you didn't understand, guys, you can go to the mini lesson, and then on the mini lesson,
you can type which topic do you want a mini lesson of. It might be derivatives, it might be sequence and series. When you may choose,
you can upload an image. Like,
yeah,
you can upload. So just take anyone that we're doing today and then just upload it. Because it's not also going to solve it. It's simply going to give you the lesson step by step. But this one is going to be detailed because it's going to give you an example, then it's going to give you an activity. But it's not going to solve that one for you. It will see that you are stuck here, maybe. But instead of it just being brought to say, this is how they do the question, this one is going to be a thorough lesson.
Okay, so then let's check our...
So which one are you using now? You can use the one of Sigma. Did you win on the Sigma?
Okay, I've already uploaded. Let's consult both of them. Mini lesson for both of them.
The arithmetic and quadratic?
Yeah.
Okay, it's going to be too much, eh?
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit long, so then we're going to summarize it a little bit.
Okay.
First two paragraphs. And then when you can do it on your own at home there. Remember, guys, don't forget to visit the Fundaflow. It's there for you.
Welcome. Let's break down the main concepts behind quadratic sequences, arithmetic series, and sigma notation so you can easily solve your assignment. Part 1, Core Theory and Formulas. 1. Quadratic sequences. A sequence is quadratic if its second difference between consecutive terms is constant. To find the general term Tn equals n2 plus Bn plus C, we use these key relationships. 2a equals constant second difference. A plus B plus C
now, what
equals...
I also encourage you guys is that if you want to get the most out of this app, just don't overwhelm it. Just ask it one topic at a time so that it can be thorough and give you like questions that are not like generic. But you want to be thorough because you are preparing for the examination. Okay, the other thing that before you leave I want to show them that it can also translate. You didn't do that one.
Oh, the translate.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Now, right now it's already used to me being a Tsonga person, so it's going to translate it to a Tsonga. Is there anyone who's Tsonga in our comments? If you're Tsonga, comment.
Did you choose song? You didn't choose anything.
It already, like, previously I chose that I was Tonga, so then I know so I'm a Tonga person. It's familiar to it's a Tonga person. Yeah.
Yeah, when you sign up, we ask you for your home language, but you can also choose your language once you're here. But once you choose it once, unfortunately, it knows you as the home language is that one. It doesn't change. We'll try to make it change in the future.
Yeah.
So you want to be you want to be explaining Afrikaans.
Okay, it says ahe ai hlamuseleni maino ya nkoka endzhaku ka quadratic sequence arithmetic series na sigma notation. Shirnohi Shirokushi.
This person is not Tonga, guys. Let's pass. So
I just didn't practice today.
You can ask it to translate. Let's say you don't understand.
Yeah.
So the features that are at the bottom, guys, they are there to assist you. Those ones, they're not grading anything. If you submit, you just get a report. Whatever it is that you're asking, it will give you many lessons scaffolding. I encourage you guys, especially the grade 12s, if you are going to be doing kind of what is this one? Optimization. Yeah, optimization, guys. Optimization, fundamental counting principle, use the scaffolding.
Scaffolding, not many lessons. Because I'm not going to
yeah, many lessons. Remember, many lessons is going to explain. Like I'm saying, let's say, remember what scaffolding is. They're going to give you, know those questions on optimization. But you don't understand what's happening there. Like you have no idea what's happening. But even if you see the variable, like you have no idea. Like even if like you see that test is so difficult, you might even fail it even if they gave you the memo and gave you the question. Both of them at the same time. But that's how hard it is. So you put that question, it solves a similar question to that one. Then you can try now. Would you like while they're solving there to get some few things here, and then you translate it to your own language. Maybe it will make sense.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Remember, this app can be used by anyone. Grade 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Grade 7 also included.
Yeah, we're also going to include grade 7 in the future because we're just going to be there.
Okay.
You can check grade 7. You can check, yeah. So daily dose of mathematics. You can say,
my daughter asked me to put grade 7. She's in grade 7. So I had to, guys. I didn't want to. It was supposed to be a high school thing, but I was threatened. Let me just say that. Okay. Let's check.
Now let's go to the teacher to create the task.
Yeah. For teachers, unfortunately, we have to approve you to use this app. Teachers, tutors, we can just approve you. If you tell us that you're a teacher, we can.
And the parent can also log in.
Yeah, parent, we don't have to approve them.
Yeah.
Why parent, guys? Your parents are the ones who are going to be seeing your results, and then eventually they can buy you credits if you want to get more credits. Yeah?
And then if they see like you're struggling that much, they can hire you.
They can also hire you tutor.
Okay, so then let's create our task. Then I call our task sequence and series.
Okay, sequence and can you hire many tutors? We didn't check that one.
Yeah, I didn't check that one.
But I'm sure you can hire them.
Pretty much.
We'll check.
What marks was this thing? Was it?
You can go and check it. I think it's still them. Question 2.
Question 2?
Yeah, you can just quickly check it. You don't have to share it, but just check it with you.
Okay, it's question 2, it's 25 marks. Okay, yeah.
25 marks. Okay.
That's 25.
Okay. 25. And then why are we doing this? Your teacher is supposed to do exactly the same thing. They are going to upload their task if they want to. They can also generate a task from the app and then just send it to you. Okay. Which is what we're going to be doing today also.
Yeah, remember, if you like what you're doing, you can tap that screen body, leave your comments, and then if you have signed up already, you can just tell us that I've signed up so that I can get you credits.
Yeah, we are increasing the credits.
Yeah.
If you sign up now, let's make it 10. If we sign up now, we add 10.
Yeah.
Sign up now.
Next 10 minutes. Let's make it hard. Next 5 minutes.
Next 5 minutes.
Next 5 minutes.
Okay, it is saying 5 minutes. I was saying 10. You see, guys, I'm generous. It was not generous. I was saying 10 minutes.
Oh, I'm generous.
I'm
generous.
So try to sign up. We're going to give you. But if you are with us up until the lesson end, we're going to give you 5 credits just for being there, guys. In fact, if it was possible, you can click that link off. And when I also sign up, it can be a little bit difficult sometimes.
Yeah.
So you can just put your name there and then tell us what you are here. And then if you are here, we'll go and check once you have signed up and just increase your credit.
Okay. Okay, yeah, now the task is published.
The task is officially there. So Itu is a grade 12 learner and then he has hired me. Have you hired me?
Yeah, I have hired you.
Okay, since Itu has hired me, I will be able to see anything that Itu is doing.
Okay, yeah. Now let's check if the task is available as on my learner thingy.
Okay. If your teacher published it, now the task is there.
Here's the task that the teacher published.
Okay.
Question 2, 2.1, 2.2, and about 2.3.
Okay. So let's start. Where should we start? 2.1.
So let's start with 2.1.
Okay, we're going to start with 2.1, which is quadratic pattern. You put all of them at the same time. A few marks, guys. I'm generous for you to eat. Put 2.1 only. Let's not do them at the same time. Oh, put one which has one. Anyone that has one task, and then put its memo there, so that we only mark you according to that one. We don't mark everything.
Which are we gonna do 2.1 only or 2.1 and 2.2?
Let's do 2.1 only for now.
2.1 only.
Yeah, I want you to get 100% detail. Like you've been getting wrong so much. Like I don't want.
It's not like I want wrong so much. Just that.
Keep a bit of music so that we dance, guys. While he's busy putting the task for 2.1 only, 2.1 only, and the memo of 2.1 only.
Constant, drop down and combine. Drop down and combine. Drop down and combine. Constant second diff. What it is. First difference changes. That's part of the quiz. Part of the next two terms, let me show you the way. Show us the way. Start at the bottom, hear what I say. Fancy. Add to the top. Now we need the nth term, let's build the machine. Build the machine. Three little equations, keeping it clean. 2a equals second difference, lock it down. 2a the bottom. 3a plus b is the first difference crown. B plus b. A plus b plus key equals term number one. Term number one. Solve for all three and the algebra is done. Algebra is done. Wait, read the question. What do they need? What do they need? Position is in, let the variable lead. Position is. But if they give the position, calculate maximum height. Maximum height. Or minimum dip shining in the light. Minimum dip. It's just a parabola, use the classic tool. Negative b over 2a. That's the golden rule. Negative b over 2a. Check it. Second difference. Constant. From the bottom to the top. Add it up. 2a, 3a plus b, a plus b plus key. Solve it. Know your n. Know your position. Know your tn. Know your term. Maximum or minimum. Negative b over 2a.
So for the last time.
Okay.
La la la, we looking at the numbers today. Is it arithmetic? Check the first line. If it's not constant, drop down and combine. Drop down and combine. Drop down and combine. Constant second difference, quadratic is here. Quadratic is here. We never assume it, we prove what it is. Prove what it is. First difference changes, that's part of the quiz. Part of the quiz. Next two terms, let me show you the way.
Yeah, we have it. Let's do this.
Okay, welcome guys, welcome. Please go through this question. Because basically you don't need us. You might think you need us, but you don't need us. Anything that you want is there on folder.
Yeah, do not first catch.
Okay, so we have the pattern E2. What does it say?
It says given the quadratic sequence, which is 3,
Yeah, it's 3,
8,
it's 8,
17,
17,
and 30.
and 30. So we have 3,
8,
8,
17.
17.
Yeah.
So it means, which as a learner, you need to find out what kind of a pattern it is. But in this case, they were too specific. It's a quadratic pattern.
Yep.
So it means we're going to talk about the rules of quadratic pattern.
Yep.
And then, what are the rules of the quadratic pattern? What is it that learners should know? It quadratic pattern. So what we're going to try to do now is to show you. Let's say it's you, this one. You want to do 2.1 is simple. We're going to skip that one.
Yeah,
Let's try to kill that one first so that we can move on to the next one. We're going to be using hint given. So you have, what is the first term? 3.
the first term is 3.
The second one is 8.
8.
The next one
17.
17. Next one.
Next one is 8.
So remember how to get the difference. You simply say it's 8 minus 3.
Yeah.
Okay, what is 8 minus 3? You get an answer then.
Okay, 8 minus 3, according to my maths, is 5.
Okay, maths is wrong, comrade.
Is it?
Yes. The answer is 11. I'm not joking. Okay, it's 8 minus 3.
Yeah, 8 minus 9.
It's 9. Are you sure?
Yeah, it's 9.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. 100% sure. This one.
Okay.
And
Then we have 30.
30 minus 17.
Yeah.
30 minus 17 is 30.
Hey, E2 guys is on 5.
Yeah,
now you can see here, guys, which is not arithmetic. Why do I say that?
It's wonderful.
No, it's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Okay. Why is it not arithmetic? Why I'm saying I'm sure it's not arithmetic. Why?
Because the difference is not constant.
Yeah, the constant is not difference. So we have the difference which is not.
Constant is not difference.
The constant is not difference.
The difference is not constant.
Oh. guys, like we've been trying to make sure with this thing is ready by we've been waiting like everything is going to be working fine. So you're started.
Yeah.
We know it, the next thing that you're supposed to go to is to do the next branch.
Yeah.
Now this is a learner who's stuck. Let them take this question. When they take this question, they're going to put it on the hint give. They're using their credits, but then you should remind them. Like they shouldn't ask anything. But this one, it has many credits.
It has many credits.
Yeah.
It doesn't have many. Only has 6.
There's 6 now.
What if they want to get child soon? Dead. Into direct train. Okay, we're gonna choose sites maths.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go down there. Remember, maths they can still use this app. The hint giver. Then the last thing that we uploaded, it's okay.
Yeah, on your phone you can do that. By Monday we should be able to show them on their phone so that they don't say it works only on their laptop.
Yeah, it can work on your phone also.
Yeah. We will try to make sure that Itu uses his phone. We'll try to feature Itu on their phone. Okay.
Okay, so then the hint give.
Yeah.
To find the next term, look at the pattern between the first differences you calculated, 5, 9, 13. Determine the constant second difference to find the next first difference, then add it to 30. Coach's summary. Identifying the constant second difference in a quadratic pattern is a critical skill in CAPS examinations, as it confirms the type of sequence and allows you to easily find subsequent terms. Okay,
translating it to, let's say, what is it going to say in your language?
In my language?
Yes.
That's quite a strong.
What does it say?
It's still translated. Okay.
So guys, it's not easy. So it's busy translating.
Yeah,
it says that.
It says, Koku makete mulei lanzelaka. Lamutisa patroni eshikari kadi first difference. This one is not
Okay, let's move on, guys. It is not song. Like I want to get a soccer person, guys. If we have any soccer person, let's just disprove this guy, which is not song. I'm busy training him, which is not song.
It is song, guys. It's just that it is used to speak.
Okay. So we go to.
Let's go back to our.
Yeah, let's finish it up. It just gave us an idea to say we need to get the second difference.
Yeah.
Which we already spoke about. To say just how to use the app. Remember, we're trying to show you that how to use the app. Okay. So we have 5 again.
Yeah.
And then you said the next one you got it as 9. So 9 minus 5.
9 minus 5 is 4.
4. Yeah? 13 minus 9.
4.
Yeah. Now you can already see with its second difference. Can you see that? Yeah. Here's how you get the second difference. If let's say the term, because the other thing that learners usually struggle in, if they are not given the terms, they need to use quadratic is a little bit challenging for them. But once they're given the quadratic, most of the time they won't struggle that much. So we have 13.
Yeah.
Now for us to get the next 10, we're going to say it's 13 plus 4 because this thing is continuing by 4 at the bottom. Can you see that one? So if you say 13 plus 4,
13 plus 4
let's
gives
see
you.
the still firing.
13 plus 4 gives you
17.
17.
Okay, get 17. 30 plus 17.
30 plus 17 gives you 47.
Gives you 47. Are you sure?
30
plus 17.
30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 7 is 70. Is 47.
Okay, so it is killing it, guys. Okay, next one we are going to. And the other thing that you can do, you see, actually you have 13. You have 4. No, you have 30, you have 9.
Yeah.
And then you have 4. You can do a circle like this one. If you do a circle like this one, you add these things here. They are side. They are leaning in in a not a screen, in a screen, it's in a horizontal thing.
In a horizontal thing.
Yeah, so if you say 13 plus, you see, if you say 30 plus 9, okay, plus 4, it's still going to give you exactly the same thing that we just did, man.
Okay.
So if you do the slant thing there and then you just do this thing here, I'm not sure if it is doing what I'm saying, guys.
It's 30 that goes with 9 and 4.
Yeah. You see that if you just take this thing, like what it's sleeping,
Yeah.
and then what you see, I'm sure you're going to say, oh no, it's 30 plus 13, man. I'm sure the last one that we got is 13 as well.
Yeah.
So it's 30, and then I'm sure when you go from 30, you go to 30, plus 4. So it's 30, 40, it's 30, 13, and 4. Like, you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I see what you're
Okay.
talking about.
So if you add those things, they're going to give you the next term, which is 47. But according to the song that we have, guys, if you want the song, make sure that you also there on WhatsApp. Yeah, I'm going to send the song on WhatsApp. If you're in that group, I'm going to be sending the songs that I'm creating. And before each and every lesson, I create the lesson. After creating the lesson, I make sure that I come up with the hits. I go to the studio. I have an AI, which is a producer. Is my math producer. Yeah. So we have
17 plus 4 now.
17 plus 4.
17 plus 4 is 21.
21. 21 plus 47.
Now it's starting to get this. Okay, so it's 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 is 60. Then 68. Don't help me, I can do this. I got this.
Okay, calculator, it is still working.
Okay, so then we have the next term, it's 47.
The other one is
68.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to do with this is we are going to give it to our practice. We are showing them how to do practice. You can take the whole question and the solution and then put it that side so that they can see if they're practicing alone. They want to see if they got it right or they didn't get it right. So they can go and put it there.
Okay, let's use our practice and then let's go back to our Funda flow. Funda flow is more put at each other, you guys. Go use Funda flow. Don't miss out. So then we're gonna create we're gonna switch this thing from teacher assignment to independent practice. Choose a topic. It's sequence and series. Yeah,
you're doing sequence and series. You can you're choosing topics, so you can't type them. Yeah, you could have said number patterns if you were able to type
sequence and series.
Quadratic number patterns.
And then
submit.
I'm gonna submit.
It is submitting.
Submission. Okay. Now uploading to save. Okay, uploaded successful.
Yeah.
Okay, the person is still marking my work. I'm pretty sure I got 100%.
Yeah, if you check the progress there, it's going to be marking, and then when it's done, it will tell you it's done. Good thing, tell your parents, guys, if your parents wants to see your results, they can also see it. They just link you, there's a number. And on Monday, when you log in, you're going to find a Sepedi whereby you'll be able to share your unique number. That's the same code that your parents can use to buy you credits if they want to increase your credits. But remember, for this month, credits are going to be for free as long as you log in here.
Question 2.1.1 Analysis 1. First differences, 8 to 3 equals 5, 17 to 8 equals 9, 30 to 17 equals 13.2. Constant second difference, 9 to 5 equals 4 and 13 to 9 equals 4.3. Next first difference, 13 plus 4 equals 17, giving T5 equals 30 plus 17 equals 47.4. Following first difference, 17 plus 4 equals 21, giving T6 equals 47 plus 21 equals 68. Your steps and final answers are completely correct. You awarded yourself full marks, 2 halves. Coach's summary: you showed clear, systematic working by laying out the first and second differences on your diagram. Your understanding of extending quadratic sequences is excellent. Keep up this structured approach when solving for the general term Tn in future questions.
Okay, as you see, let's give it a round of applause, guys. Okay, now the other thing that I want to show you guys, if I'm your tutor, now it is going to show you that it's going to appear for me. It's going to tell me which questions are you struggling at, because there's no need for me to teach you something that you are good in again. So under my report, the report that it got, this is the same report that your parents is also going to get. I wish we could have showed parents how does it work, this thing, so that they will be able to see the progress of their children, so that they can assist them now. Parents want to be involved. Like if you are like me, you're an involved parent. That's why I said I even included grade 7 for my daughter, so that I can see what she is. For my daughters, not one, my daughters, so that they can see which I can see what is it that they're doing. I
Yep.
can also be able to assist them.
Okay, remember you guys, you forgot to comment that you have signed up.
Yeah, we're still waiting for that one.
Yep.
Yeah. So, can I see Itu's results?
Yep.
Okay, what does it say?
Uh,
So don't generate it, partner. Just show me what this is it. Remember, it's not going to be it. I'm going to be generating for the whole class, or I can just look at it specifically. In this case, it's only it who has signed up.
But right now you can only see 2 minutes for month back in the quiz me.
I see the quiz. The other one is still coming.
Yeah.
Okay. So it tells me anything that it does, I'm going to be able to see it so that I will be able to assist you. Okay. So we are going to move on to the next question, Itu, which is 2.1.2.
Yep.
Okay.
2.1.2 now says you should determine Tn, the general term of the sequence, in the form of Tn is equivalent to an squared plus bn plus c.
We already did have the job, okay? We are already halfway there. We're able to get the second difference. No? So we're going to be using the second difference. Okay. Let's move on from there.
Second difference. Okay, so then
remember, we have formulas that we have that says 2a should be equal to the second difference. Okay?
A is equivalent to second difference.
3a plus b is equal to f1, which is the first term of the first difference.
3a plus b is equivalent to f1.
Yeah. And then a plus b plus c is equal to t1.
T1.
Sure. Play the song, because the song is telling us that, which is term number 1 is this. This is what learners should know, because the song is explaining everything that has to do with quadratic.
We can play it when you're putting it on a senior mark.
Or you play it on or we're putting, okay. So it says I should continue. Okay, it says 2a is equal to the second difference. What is our second difference?
The second difference is 4.
So it means 2a is going to be equal to 4.
Then we divide by 2.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2.
A is equal to 2.
A is equal to 2. So we are good then. A is equal to 2. Good for us. Okay. Now, from once we get A, we can try to get B. How do you get B? You say 3a plus b is equal to
f1.
Now, what is the first term of the first difference? We got it as well. You said 8 minus 3. And then what do you get when you did that?
8 minus 3
is, you got the answer there.
It's 5.
It's 5. So it means 3a plus b is going to be 5.
Okay, that means 3 multiplied by 2.
It's 3 multiplied by the first difference, which is 2, plus b, which is going to be 5.
Yeah.
3 multiplied by 2.
3 multiplied by 2 is 6.
6. Take the 6 to the other side. It
Mm-hmm.
says b is going to be equal to 5 minus 6. If you are still in grade 1, you say it's impossible. You can't subtract. Yes. So in this case, it's possible.
Yeah, it's
we
minus
get a
1.
minus 1. So that's b. Next,
We have 2
we have a plus b
plus c
plus c, which is equal to the
first
term number 1.
Mm-hmm.
It's the first term.
Yeah.
What is the first term?
It's 3.
It's 3.
So we have 2
We have 2
plus minus 1.
plus minus 1.
I put it the 1 minus 1 in the bracket.
Okay, plus minus 1
Plus c,
plus c,
which is equivalent to 3.
which is equal to 3.
2 minus 1 is 1.
It's 1.
And then c is equivalent to 3 minus 1.
C is equal to 3 minus 1.
By which our
C
is 2.
Therefore, A is that filling.
Yeah, the filling of therefore.
Therefore,
T
n
is equivalent to
A.
n squared.
It's 2n squared, yeah?
Oh, not plus, minus.
Minus n.
Minus.
Oh, you wanted to say plus. Minus n.
Yeah, minus n.
Yeah.
Plus 2.
Plus 2. Okay. We're helping so far.
Yeah.
So we are skipping. We're not going to use anything. Is there anything that we haven't used there? We've used the scaffolding. We've used the mini lesson.
Yeah.
We've used the hint give.
Yeah, this one you're gonna submit it on the
We're going to submit everything
on
there.
the teacher.
Yeah. So we can submit everything at the same time, guys. We don't have to submit one thing. You can just take everything that you are given them. And then we're going to put test 2 out. If you are with us there, we're going to be marking test 2 on Monday. So we'll be putting test 2 on Monday. Okay, what is the last one? This one.
Yeah.
Say
Which term in the
2.
sequence has a value of 308?
What are we given? Are we given n or are we given 10? Because
Yeah.
this one is the one that we usually give learners the problem. How do you know that it? What told you which?
Or they said which term of the sequence?
So which term?
By which term it's n?
Hmm?
Term it's n.
What did they say?
Which term in the sequence has a value of 300? When they're talking about when they say a term, they're talking about n.
Okay, when they say term,
Yeah, they're talking about n.
so we can say term, aka
Yeah,
n.
term aka n.
So which term in the sequence?
Which term in the sequence has a value of 308?
So it means in other words, Tn currently is equal to 308.
Mm-hmm.
Tn is equal to what? To 308. Okay, sure.
Okay, so then we're gonna have 308.
And then let's write the formula first. Remember, the senior marker is going to penalize you. Remember it. You know him.
We gotta forgot here.
You know him.
I started to get excited. So then we have Tn,
2n is going to be
which is equal to 2n
2n squared
2n squared minus n
minus n
plus 2.
plus 2.
So we're gonna have 308
308
is equal
is equal to 2n squared
n squared minus n plus 2.
plus 2. Quadratic, eh?
Yeah.
One side should be 0.
Yeah.
Or we can ask chat there. What do they think? I've already told them. I became excited. I'm not a good teacher. I tell people answers, then I ask them after.
So we're gonna have 0, which is equal to 2
is equal to
2n squared
2n squared
minus n
2n squared minus n
plus 2 minus 3
plus 2
minus 308. So then 2.
Why you didn't add them? Because it's pretend this one. You want to do another step. You're afraid of sin.
Okay, so but
It's minus. I don't know. The 308 is minus. No, I'm joking.
Yeah.
If it's minus, then it's going to be minus 306. Okay?
yeah, it's minus 306.
So we have 0, which is going to be equal to 2n squared minus n minus 306. Okay.
Now we have to solve for n.
We have to solve for n.
Okay, which one are we using? We're using quadratic or factorization.
I don't try to be a hero either. This one, when it comes to number patterns, don't try to be a hero, guys. Especially quadratic. Hey, this thing is going to summarize you. Let's use a quadratic formula. If you have that casual calculator, which calculator is the Grade12 mode?
Okay, let's go to our calculator. Then
But remember, if you don't have the calculator, quadratic is for you, guys. If you don't have the calculator, quadratic is for you. So on the calculator, we go to the mode.
Mode.
And you are looking for this option that has this 8, ax squared plus bx plus c. You see an option like that?
It's not found in here.
What options do you have? Option 1 is what? Yeah. Option 2?
Complex.
Yeah.
Stats. Base n. Equation.
Yeah.
I think it's
equation. Go to equation.
And then it's a
Plus.
anx plus bnx
It's
is equivalent to c.
anx. Is
anx plus bnx.
plus bnx.
Oh, plus bny, I mean, is equivalent to c.
Okay. We don't that one. We don't want that one. This one is a straight cubic. Can you see that one? Guys, 900. 900.
So then our a is gonna be 2.
Our a is 2.
Is equals to 6.
Minus 306. Yeah.
Equals to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now how do we solve?
You say equals to. Yeah. It says what? Okay. 12.62. Okay. Next, what is n2?
12.62.
Okay.
And then the next one, I say equals to again.
x2. Yeah. x1.
X2 is negative 12.12.
Negative 12.12.
Yeah.
It's something you didn't do right. You can't get a position that is comma something there. It doesn't work. This thing, you did a mistake. Let's go and check. You said 2n. You said 2 on the first one. Equals to
2 equals to. Second one.
Minus
1
equals to.
Third one. Minus 306 equals to. and then say equals x1 is 12,62.
Yup.
X2 is minus 12,12.
Something's not right. Let's go and check that we didn't make a mistake there. But our formula was 208.
Yeah. Is our formula correct? Maybe our formula is incorrect.
Can we even substitute? We got 2a is equaling to 4. And then we got 2 is equaling to
3 is equaling to 2. 3 multiplied by 2 plus b is equaling to 5. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Transposing 6 to the other side, we have 5 minus 6.
that one's correct.
And then b is equal to negative 1.
Then a
A
is 2.
A plus b plus c is equaling to t1. So then we have 2 minus 1 is equaling to 3. Then
is that 2 minus 1 is equaling to what? It's equaling to
2
1.
minus 1 plus c is equaling to 3. And then 2 minus 1 plus c is equaling to 3. And then it's transposing that 1 to the other side. C is equaling to 3 minus 1. C is equaling to 2.
It's equaling to 3 minus 1. And then you could c is equaling to 2. So the formula is fine.
Yeah, the formula is fine. This one is correct.
Term, and then the question was asking which term is equal to?
Which term in the sequence has a value of 308?
Yeah, we don't have a term like that one. It means we will see, but we're not supposed to get like if we like in an exam, like it means with our question here, it's either I don't know what happened, but we're not supposed to get a full question that is. So we transpose to the other side, and then we had minus 206. Right. Okay, let's say AC again. Let's start again. Like it doesn't make sense unless we should try quadratic formula.
Okay, let's try quadratic.
Okay, on quadratic we're going to have fraction.
Fraction.
With open bracket.
Minus open bracket.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Close bracket.
Close bracket.
Plus and a minus.
Let me share the calculator. I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah,
plus the square root of.
And is it in the right mode, our calculator?
The calculator is in the right mode.
Okay.
Minus 1 to
minus
the
1 all squared.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
A it's 2.
Yeah.
C it's minus 3.
Minus 306. Yeah.
Close the bracket. All over 2 multiplied by 2.
What do you get?
Our answer is 12,62.
12,62. It means there's something wrong with the question. I didn't get an opportunity to check it. I just did it, guys. I'm sorry. Let me apologize.
Nah, it's not like there's something wrong. I think it's fine.
It's not right. We're not supposed. If it's a position is supposed to be a whole number. That's how we choose.
Aren't we going to do the thing? I think the other one is negative. We can't have a
negative position. We can't have a comma position.
This one is not applicable.
Yeah, this one is not. Both of them are not applicable in this case. We can try to take the positive one, but it's still not applicable.
How about we round it off to 2 decimal places?
Yeah, but that's not how it's supposed to be, because that's how we test you. For exam, we test you by giving one which is a fraction, another one which is negative. In this case, we can check the positive one because one is negative, the other one. So we know for sure that the position can never be that one. So we'll tell them the term number 12,62 is the one which is going to be equal to 308, which is not part of the pattern. So it was in a question per se.
T of 12.62 is equal to 308.
Sure.
Okay, so now we can cut everything, put it on our senior mark.
Yeah.
You don't trust this question?
Yeah, the question itself, there's something wrong with the question. So that maybe I made a mistake somewhere when I was taking it wrong. So you're putting it in the marker, you're putting everything there. So it's going to mark everything.
Yep. And then you're gone.
You still have anyone on check there?
You still have check. There's 2 on check.
Okay. Guys, have you sign up so that we can give you a credits?
La la la, we looking at the numbers today. Looking at the numbers. Don't just guess the pattern, let the differences play. Let the differences play. Is it arithmetic? Check the first line. If it's not constant, drop down and combine. Drop down and combine. Drop down and combine. Constant second difference. Quadratic is here. Quadratic is here. We never assume it. satisfy the thirst. Zulu, add to the top. Now we need the nth term, let's build the machine. Build the machine. Three little equations, keeping it clean. Two equals second difference, lock it down. Two the bottom. Three a plus b is the first difference crown. B plus b. A plus b plus key equals term number one. Solve for all three and the algebra is done. Algebra is done. Wait, read the question. What do they need? What do they need? Position is n, let the variable lead. Position is. But if they give the position, calculate t. Calculate t. Don't mix up the two, let's say it again. Don't mix up the two. What if they ask for a maximum height? Maximum height. Or a minimum dip shining in the light? Minimum dip. It's just a parabola, use the classic tool. Negative b over 2 that's the golden rule. Negative b over 2 check it. Second difference. Constant. From the bottom to the top. Add it up. 2 or 3 a plus b plus key. Solve it. Know your n. Know your position.
Marking breakdown question
Know
2.1.1.
your term.
2 halves marks correctly identified the pattern in the second differences and determined the next two terms, 47 and 68. Question 2.1.2, 4/4 marks excellent work. Correctly calculated the values of a equals 2, b equals -1, and c equals 2 to state the general term tn equals 2 and 2, n plus 2. Question 2.1.3, 1/3 mark you set up the equation correctly, 2 and 2, n, 306 equals 0, earning 1 mark for standard form. However, an error occurred while solving for n. The value of n representing a term's position in a sequence must always be a positive whole number, natural number. How can you factorize 2 and 2, n, 306 equals 0 or use the quadratic formula to find a positive integer value for n? Coach's summary: what you did well, you showed fantastic understanding of quadratic sequences, finding both the second difference and the general term formula cleanly and systematically. Area for improvement: when solving for the term position n, double check your quadratic solving steps if you get decimals. Since n must be a positive integer, getting a decimal is a clue to re-verify your factorization or quadratic formula calculation.
See a bonga for pulling through the lesson.
Where did you go wrong?
You just penalized me for that. I didn't use the quadratic equation.
But what did you say? What was the answer? Can it doesn't tell us the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, as you saw there, this is how we use it. We're going to see each other on Monday. Tomorrow we're taking a day off.
See a bonga for pulling through the lesson.
We're going to check our WhatsApp if there's anyone.
Hope you caught that daily dose of magic.
With us today.
Like the video and leave us your thoughts.
Comment that they got their credits. Okay,